Claudine at anak na si Santino, sabay nag-celebrate ng birthday. Sabay na nag-celebrate ng kanilang birthday, sina Claudine Barreto at ang gwapong anak nila ni Raymart Santiago na si Santino noong July 20, 2024. Ipinagdiwang ni Claudine ang ika-45 taong kaarawan, samantalang ika-17 taong kaarawan naman si Santino. Ang nasabing birthday bash ay dinaluhan ng kanilang pamilya at malalapit na kaibigan. Ayon sa message ni Claudine kay Santino, sana umano ay makasama niya ng madalas ang binata at pinapangako niya umano na lagi siyang magiging cool mom dito.
Now, of course, we want to hear from you. What do you want to say to Santino now that he's 17?
I wish we'd spend more time with mom. And that you know that you can always talk to mommy. I'm always going to be here for you. And I'm always going to be the cool mom that you want to be. I love you. And thank you to all your best friends who came tonight. This is the first time we really wanted a party. So thank you, thank you. It really means the world to me. Happy birthday, Santino. It's my birthday today, but it's not all about me. It's all about Santino. So let's celebrate!
Sama mo si Mama Biel.
Well, arigatou gozaimasu, multilingual, Santino. Shesheni, that's a how. Alright, well, thank you once again. A big hand for our birthday boy!
Samantala, sa kanyang social media account, ipinost si Claudine ang pagbati sa anak na aniya ay kanyang buhay at protector. 17 years ago, July 19, 2007, 7:44 a.m., 7.8 pounds, Medical City. I gave birth to a son who for 17 years has only brought me immense joy. I gave birth smoothly, hardly no pain, and out on my fifth push, and out you came. Now, 17 years later, you Santino are my life, protector of mom, and especially your ate, Q, and Noah. Please grow up to be the man God made you to be. Never hurt a woman, never hurt anyone. May all your dreams come true, my son. I will do everything in my power to help you achieve them. I love you more than my life, 'cause you are my life. Enjoy exploring the world, 'cause that's exactly what I will give you, my son. The world. Belated happy birthday, Saint. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo sa sunod na showbiz news.